Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the weight and mass problem solving worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the weight and mass problem solving worksheet. Joseph is using the scales to weigh fruit. He describes a fruit to his friend. My fruit is lighter than a coconut but heavier than an apple. Use the scales to explore which fruit Joseph could be describing. Find two possible answers. So here we have lots of different pieces of fruit all measured on balancing scales, and we need to look at each scale individually. Remember, we're looking for the fruit that is lighter than the coconut but heavier than the apple. So let's look at scale 1. We've got the lemon and the apple. I can see here that the lemon is lighter than the apple because the scale is up at the lemon side. Now remember, we're looking for the fruit that is heavier than the apple, so the lemon can't be used. So I'm just going to put a cross to remind me that it's not the lemon. Let's move on to scale 2. Here we have a balanced scale with a pineapple and banana. They are equal. So I'm just going to write equal above to show that they weigh the same amount, okay? They have the same weight. Now, this doesn't give us any clues about Joseph's fruit just yet, but we've written down equal to help us remember because we might need it later. Scale 3. Here we have a coconut and a pineapple. I can see that the pineapple is lighter than the coconut because the pineapple side is up and the coconut side is down. Joseph needs a fruit that is lighter than a coconut, so it could be a pineapple, but we need to find out if the pineapple is heavier than the apple. So it could be the pineapple, but let's bear that in mind for the next scales. Scale number 4 then, we have a melon and a coconut. Here I can see that the melon is heavier than the coconut because the melon side is going down. But Joseph wants a fruit that is lighter than the coconut, so the melon can't be one of the fruits he is describing. Scale number 5, we've got the apple and the banana. Here we can see that the banana is heavier than the apple because the banana side of the scale is pointing down. And Joseph wants a fruit that is heavier than an apple, so it could be a banana too. Let's look back at scale 2. We know that the banana and the pineapple are equal. And now we know this, I know that the pineapple is lighter than the coconut but heavier than the apple because it weighs the same as the banana. Likewise for the banana too. It's heavier than the apple, but lighter than the coconut because it weighs the same as the pineapple. So, Joseph could be describing the pineapple or the banana.
That was the answer explanation video for the weight and mass problem solving worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.